where things work, like on station, is it worked well because each government maybe had a slightly different goal for what their domestic objectives were for space station, but yet they were aligned enough that we had a common goal that we could see to go build space station. So, the Japanese may have wanted to use space station to gain more knowledge about human spaceflight, to actually build their own human spaceflight program. They may not have been interested, maybe, this is hypothetical, and maybe in a research program. The U.S. was maybe more interested in a scientific research program. Russians may have seen it more as a transportation node to go do other things. And so maybe each country kind of came into this with a slightly different objective, which is okay. But then there needs to be enough of a synergy and enough overlap that when you get into those tough decisions where you've got to make trades, you can trade potentially some of your country's primary objectives for the overall good of station, because it's going to be very difficult to stay in 100% alignment if you're all choosing separate goals. But it's okay to have different goals in a sense, but they need to be aligned enough that you recognize that this entity or this task that you're doing is important enough to you collectively that you're going to make some sacrifices to make it happen. So that's a delicate balance of how you find that right mix of what you want to go do. So I think right now we're in this situation where we're kind of asking countries what would they like out of a space program, or what is their desire, or what is their motivation for a space program. Then once we understand those desires and motivations, what they consider the minimum set that they need to get out of an exploration program, then we can start talking about crafting a global plan for what we want to go do for exploration based on what the individual partners really want to contribute and where their national goals are aligned and where they want to push. Then you see if there's enough synergy that between all those pieces you've got enough of the parts that you could actually go accomplish some exploration objective.